is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco
What's up,
Exchange.
y'all?
Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the
Thanks
video
for
down
playing
below,
this.
and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
The other day I went to Michael's and I saw this in Michael's and I picked up the two that they had. So I am going to cut this off, this hanger off, because I want to tie this in with those two little hooks that are right back up here. Okay, so I'm just using those two hooks that it already had in there. Okay, and all I'm going to do is find a spot on my grapevine that I can run those pipe cleaners through, and that way I can attach them like that. So I didn't need any cable mount ties, didn't need anything. So just attaching it to this grapevine. Okay. So I measure our tail at 7 inches, and then our first loop is going to be 9 inches. Pinch and twist. And I'm going to do 2 loops of this plaid pattern. Pinch and twist. Inches. Yeah, we're actually going to make a full bow today. Okay, so we did our first loops at 9 inches, and then our second loops at 10 inches. Because I'm seeing it fine on my end. Just twist. That loop is 11 inches. This butterfly came from Michael's, and it is new for this year. I just bought it like the other day. So before I cinch that completely shut, I want to run my pipe cleaner. And yeah, I really like the contrast of that black floral print ribbon with that turquoise and that lavender. Look how pretty that looks together. Okay, so I put this on the bottom left hand corner. I'm just going to trim all of that all the way down. So I'm just going to start gluing some of these pieces in. So I kind of want that butterfly to look like it's coming out of the greenery. So we're gonna split up this 60919. The butterfly came from Michael's, y'all. Y'all know I'm usually a whole stem person, but we are gonna split this up, and y'all, it's the perfect color that matches this butterfly. Okay. Making sure not to burn myself again. There we go. Perfect. This is just like a berry stem, and it's got purple berries. Y'all, these little purple berries are about like the same style of berry that's on that 60919 that I used. So yeah, look, that's our wreath. Look how pretty that looks.